G'day everyone, this is Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. We're into another bathroom. I waterproofed it yesterday and we're just doing the bed this morning. I'm using a strip drain in this bathroom and I'm going to be falling it from here, from that aluminium back into the strip drain, so they can decide whether they want a shower screen or not. They don't have to. It'll have to go about there, which misses the light or the switch, but they don't actually need a shower screen, which is so cool because you've got less cleaning, less everything. The water, once I've screeded it, will not come past this aluminium. So what I've done is a third coat in my shower base, which acts as my slurry, like I always do. I'm just popping down some rough mud over the wet waterproof so it sticks before it dries, and we're home and hose. So I'll set up my strip drain shortly. You'll see as we get further along, my strip drain will be going in there like that, and then I'll be tilting my tiles from the end of the strip drain to nothing. So that's all going to be tilted up, that tilted up, and this falling down to there. This will be the same. The drain is like that. It'll be going to nothing like that. My tiles, you'll see what I mean. That is the absolute correct way it should be done. I've got to silicone in that aluminium yet. I've got to cut it to length. Here, this is a toilet, but I've still got aluminium, so it stops all water flow. No water will be coming out of that shower, but if you ever do have a leak from the taps at the vanity, with all these water stops, it can't go anywhere. So I'll come back to you shortly as I progress with this screeded floor. Out here, I'll be putting down a glue as my slurry for my mud. But I always like to do a third coat of waterproof in my shower. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.